Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to search across projects here in Basecamp, right? So first up, you can go straight up click on find in here. For example, you have a ton of projects. You can go ahead and click on find. Just start typing to find anything matching a particular term. It could be a phrase or a file name. And if you know that you're looking for a file, or that a person posted some file, or even that it's in the marketing project, you can quickly filter results right here by selecting a filter. For example, search everything, or click on drop down. You have card tables. It could be a chat, okay? Or it could be a file, or it could be a comment posted by anyone. All right, as you can see here, all the comments by anyone, which is set to everywhere, is in the selection or on the drop down. You can go ahead and click on see all results. There you go. And then just go ahead and click on the message. All right, and you'll be landed to the exact page where the comment was placed. As you can see here, it is placed under sample message under the message board. Okay, now another one may be trying to find folders by anyone or by yourself. Okay, there you go. Everywhere, or a specific project. There you go. Just click on one and you'll be landed to the location where the link is located. To filter out some more, click on find. Maybe a file right here. You can go ahead and choose by anyone, everywhere. Let's say, for example, I'm looking for the file named 123. All right, as you can see here, as fast as that, you now have this specific file. Right? You can click on it, this hyperlink, for you to be landed to the page where it was originally posted. Now, another one, I'm going to go ahead and open up a project. Say, for example, I'm going to open up a message board and go to the three dots right here at the top right. You can go ahead and sort the messages so you can easily spot the messages. Also, when you go ahead and go to chat and here, click on the three dots, you'll be able to see all files that is posted in here as well. All right, that's basically it. But the main thing that you can use here is the find function. All right, for you to be able to search across projects in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.